All right, good morning. Thanks for tuning in. Here's your quiz. Wish you the best of luck. Make sure you watch and listen carefully. So here we go with number 1. All right, we're just going to simplify these. So we need to plug in, instead of f of x, we are going to just simply plug in 5x minus 2, and then we're going to add 3x plus 8. Make sure you combine your like terms. Okay, you have like term here and here, like term here and here. And simplify. Number 2, very similar, only we're going to subtract this time. So we're going to have 5x minus 2. We'll kind of put that with a set, then minus 3x plus 8. Now we need to remember, we need to distribute this negative to these two guys first. So then what you should have is 5x minus 2 minus 3x minus 8. Again, combine your like terms. And simplify your answer. Moving on to number 3. Now we're just going to multiply. I recommend using the box, like this. So we have 5x minus 2 and 3x plus 8. So make sure we multiply. And when you have x times x, that's going to be an x squared. And then multiply the numbers. Your like terms should be here. Okay, and remember, we should have, this is going to have an x value here. And simplify. Number 4. We're simply going to plug things in. 5x minus 2 over 3x plus 8. Now you need to simplify this. If you can simplify it, and you need to state the domain, which is actually going to be a bonus. And I'm in a generous mood. Today, I'm going to give you this one. So, the domain should be all real numbers except negative 8 over 3. Okay? All real numbers except negative 8/3. That is the answer for the domain and your bonus point. 5 and 6, again, we're still just plugging in. So here we go. You should have, when you plug this all in, 5 times a set, 3x plus 8, minus 2, because we plugged in the g function, which was a 3x plus 8 for x in the f function. So this was 5x minus 2. That's why we plugged that in. Make sure you distribute him and simplify. Number 6, same concept, only switching things around a little bit. We're adding a negative 2, so really the function of negative 2 is equal to 5 times negative 2 minus 2. So you need to simplify this and solve it all the way out, and then plug it in, whatever you get, plug it in for 3 times what? Plus 8. So you're going to have like 2 answers here. You're going to answer for this first one and then an answer for the second one. Okay, number 7. Got a couple of parts here. We're just going to plug things in. So I'll plug it in here. So we should have 4, whoops, pen please, 4 times 1/4 x minus 3/4 plus 3. Simplify that. And over here on the other one, change colors, should have 1/4 times 4x plus 3 minus 3/4. Now, for those of you that are actually listening to the video, your final answer that you should get on both of these, the answer is x. Everything else will cancel out, and for both of these, you should be left with the value of x. Told you, I'm in a generous mood today. Number 8, last one I'm going to do for you, the other one's bonus. So we basically change the f of x to a y equals 3x plus 10. We're going to find the inverse. To do the inverse, we got to switch the x and y. Remember we doing that in class? So now it's x equals 3y plus 10. And now you simply need to solve for y. Get y by itself. Okay? And then for your final answer, you're going to write it like this. F of negative x equals, and that's going to be whatever you got for y will go here. Okay? Number 9 is a bonus, and I gave you a bonus earlier. So hopefully you do well on this. Have a great day. God bless.